Parrots, thank you so much. This has been an incredible debut. We appreciate you being here so much. We want to give a special thanks to all the singers that came up and helped us out tonight. You guys were amazing. We want to thank you guys for all the well wishes for our singer Rob, who's recovering in the hospital right now. We appreciate everything. And he is really bummed out. He's missing that debut tonight. So if the owners would have us back next year, at least one time, Rob would like to come and sing for you guys. So no pressure, but he's in the hospital if I didn't tell you.
Cheers, Rob. Missing you, brother. Thinking about you. All right.